Good morning everyone, especially to you, Sir Robert. So, we are the Group 6 reporters. I'm Luis Gelo Cuyos. And our topic for today's video is all about design and apply the operation. So, understanding process design overview. So, the foundation of operations management or OM is process design. It involves developing and refining systems that transform into inputs into outputs. Understanding how work is done within an organization and creating and implementing solutions to improve it is called process design. Process designs must take into account the resources required to complete the process, the desired output of the process, and any constraint on the progress. In addition, process designs must be flexible enough to accommodate changes in inputs or outputs. So, in short, this discussion ato pamovon is all about planning kung unsaon nimo pag troubleshoot ang usa ka problem like inana. So, what is process designing planning? So, process design planning is the process of creating a plan for the production process. The process designer must consider many factors when creating the plan, such as the product type, the materials needed, the equipment available, and the workforce. The goal of process design planning is to create a process that is efficient and effective in producing the desired product.
Good morning, sir. I am Chrischalyn. So what is process design planning? We have determining the requirement, creating the plan, building team, implementing the plan, monitoring process, and audit. Determining the requirement. The first step is to assess the requirement of process design. The process designer must clearly understand the product that needs to be produced, the materials required, the equipment available, and the workforce. Creating the plan. Once the requirements are determined, the process designer can create a plan for the production process. The plan must be completed in a way that is efficient and effective in producing the desired product.
Cosentino Brendon, building team. The process designer must build a team of experts who can help with the implementation of the process design. The team should be able to provide input and feedback on the process design. So, ang building team kay kanang team na siya with kanang magtinabangay kanang pero dapat mangita mo usa ka expert na kanang mo implement siya sa inyong process design. Then ang kanang kuanan leader na kanang kailangan siya mo provide sa input of feedback sa process design. Nga implement the plan. Once the process design is complete, the process designer must implement the plan. This includes setting the production process, testing and process, and making any necessary adjustment. So, ang implement the plan is kailangan ma-complete ninyo ang process design niya. Ang katong leader, syempre mo implement siya sa kanang design, sa implement sa plan niya. Dapat mo include siya sa settings of production sa process and para ma-necessary ang adjustment niya.
Morning, I'm Lourence Caputol. Now, monitoring the process. The process designer must monitor the process to ensure that it is running smoothly and effectively. The process designer should make changes to the process as needed to improve its efficiency and effectiveness. So the process designer muna siya ang mag-monitor or mag-maintain o mag-ensure nga ang pagdagan sa process is smooth o walay labad. Next is audit. Audit is a crucial process in process design. The process designer must audit the process to ensure that it is meet the requirements and running effectively. The audit should conduct regularly to ensure that process is running smoothly. So ang kaning ang kaning process sa sa pag design is the process designer must process to ensure the requirements bitang mga kinahanglanon para ang pagdagan sa process is effective siya og walay labad. So ang kaning process muna siya ang murag magsigurado para maghatag sa mga requirements nga kinahanglan para ang pag-process o pagdagan sa proseso ay sigurado.
So, what are the objectives of process design? So, 1. Prioritize better outcomes. 2. Improve efficiency. 3. Dodge the disorder. 4. Ensure accountability. And 5. Simplify collaboration. So, prioritize better outcomes. It is essential to normalize the process and design around the customer. This means that instead of designing the process and then testing it to see if the customer is satisfied, the process should be designed with the customer in mind from the outset. It will help ensure that the operation can meet their needs and expectations. So, ang pasabutan sa prioritize better outcome is i-ensure kung unsay mo'y ganahan sa customer o unsay ang expectation para ma-meet sa nimo ang ilang kinahanglan.
Good day everyone, my name is Kliert Lisonda. So let's start my topic, improve efficiency. First, another essential objectives of process design is to improve the efficiency of the process. This can be done by reducing the amount of time that required is to complete each task or by reducing number of resources that are needed. Second, the process should be designed in such a way that it is easy to operate and maintain. This will minimize the time required to train new staff and will also help to reduce the number of errors that are made.
Hi, I am Christian Mayol. Dodge the disorder. One of the main objectives of process design is to avoid disorder, which can be achieved by ensuring the process is well be organized and clearly defined. It is also essential to ensure the process is simple and easy to understand. This will help to prevent errors from being made and will also make it easier to train new staff. In addition, the process should be designed to be as robust as possible. This will help to ensure that it can withstand the rigors of production and will also help prevent it from breaking down.
Hi, I'm Ishii Mantuhac. Ensure accountability. This means that each step in the process should be clearly defined and that there should be a transparent chain of responsibility. So in addition, this will help to ensure that each stage in the process is adequately monitored to ensure problems are dealt with early. So, simplify collaborations. So collaboration is when people work together to accomplish some common goals. The process design should be such that it facilitates cooperation and collaboration among the different stakeholders. So this will help to ensure that the process can meet the needs of all the different parties involved and will also help to prevent misunderstandings from occurring. In addition, this will help ensure that the process can run smoothly and that any problems that arise are quickly dealt with.
Good afternoon everyone, my name is Romel Jr. This is my topic, challenges involved in process design. Just like any other process, it involves several challenges. A few these challenges listed below. Uncertainty. Many process design are put together without clear understanding of the product, process, or customer. Kani daw kay largo ang process sa mga design sa wag pagkuan nila kay why klaro ang pagsabot sa ilang product and complexity. The process of design may be complex of resources available. Ani kay mga about nis mga resources na complex na available ra. In experience, the process designer may not experience in process design. Ani kay wa daw nag-agi sa proseso nga kuan design. Lack of tools, the process designer may not have access right tools or resources. Ani kay kaning designer process dili daw sila kuan kanang kagamit sa ilang tools or resources. Time constraints. The process design may be constrained time, budget, or other resources. Pasabot ani kay ang aning pagkuan proseso ani nila kay sa pag-design kay daily constraint nga kuan sa kaya sa time o sa budget or other resources. That's all.
There are things to consider in process design. An organization process design is essential to its operations management success. For this, it is imperative to consider the following. It should be able to accommodate the current and future needs of the organizations. This means that the process must be designed to be flexible enough to handle changing demand, technology, etc. It should be flexible and scalable. The process should be designed so that it can be easily scaled according to the organization needs. It should be cost effective. The process must be designed considering the costs involved in its implementation and operation. There should be a balance between the process costs and benefits. It should be efficient and effective. It is essential to design an efficient and effective process. An efficient process uses the minimum resource to produce the desired result. An effective process produces the desired output. It should be safe and reliable. The process must be designed keeping in mind the safety of the employees and the reliability of the process. The process should be such that it minimizes the chance of errors and accidents. It should be easy to use and understand. Easy comprehension is the most critical aspect of any process design. The process must be designed in such a way that it's easy to understand and use. Without any ambiguity in the process, the employees should be quickly follow the process.
So, in conclusion, process design is a vital part of operations management. It helps organizations to determine the most efficient way to produce goods or services. Through improvements in process design, business can optimize their production process and reduce costs. Additionally, it can help companies to improve quality control and increase customer satisfaction. Process design is therefore an essential tool for any organization that wants to improve its operation. So, in short term, kaning process and design kay mo ni ang kinahanglan sa tanan para ma-improve ang ilang organization para sa maganan ang ilang customer nga ma-satisfy lang